In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create theme blocks and Metaobject settings in Shopify, specifically with the Shopify Editions Winter 2025 update. This step-by-step process is essential for anyone looking to enhance their online store's customization options and streamline their content presentation. So let's dive right in. First, start by navigating to your Shopify admin dashboard. This is your command center, where all the magic happens in managing your online store. On the homepage, look for the Content button. This is where you can access all the crucial elements that make up the backbone of your website, including theme blocks and meta-objects. Once you've clicked on Content, the next step is to select Meta-objects from the list. Think of meta-objects as a structured way to define reusable content elements and settings, which can greatly enhance the flexibility and functionality of your store's design. Now that you're viewing the Meta-objects section, you'll want to click on Manage. This tab allows you to administer all aspects of your meta-objects, ensuring everything is seamlessly integrated with your storefront. Managing these elements is key to maintaining a cohesive aesthetic across your site, which is critical for branding and improving the user experience. Proceed to click on Available on Storefront. This is a fundamental action that ensures the newly created theme blocks and meta-objects are visible and active on your live site. Visibility is crucial as it translates your backend settings into a user-friendly interface on the front end. With all your selections properly set, your configurations will be reflected immediately, making them accessible to your customers. Finally, click once more on Meta-objects to confirm that all settings are correctly applied and ready for use on your storefront. This final check is a safety measure, ensuring that everything you've done is in order and working as intended. It's always good practice to double-check your work, particularly when dealing with intricate customizations like these. This concise process allows you to fully utilize Shopify's robust customization capabilities, giving you the power to create a store that not only functions well but also stands out visually. Whether you're a seasoned Shopify user or a newcomer, these steps should help streamline your store's design and enhance its functionality, thanks to the intuitive nature of meta-objects and theme blocks. Thank you for tuning in to today's tutorial. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below if you need further clarification on any of these steps. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides and tips on optimizing your e-commerce platforms. Happy selling!